There is no doubt that as science advances, by the way, we get to know new things. But it is also a fact that there is still much that even scientists do not know about these things stunning. Then the case may be about 2,500 years old hieroglyphics helicopter and the airplanes, or about a crater growing up in Russia, or it may be the mysterious signals received from space. There are many things around us that even science has to bow to. Viewers, today, you will learn about 5 such mysteries, the real truth of which has not been known to anyone to date. Okay, let's begin now. Number 5. Outer space is full of fantastic mysteries and countless questions, which is still an impossible task for science to know and understand. For the last several centuries, science has been trying to understand the greatest strength of our universe. But still, there is a failure, and that force is gravity. Just as Earth's gravity attracts all objects towards it, similarly, the Sun's gravity pulls the other planets of the solar system, including the Earth, towards it. But whose gravity is forcing the Sun to stay in place? The Sun is a very small thing, millions of billions of galaxies, and structure from these galaxies, what gravity is created. There must be something whose mass is so high that it is holding all these galaxies in place. Scientists have named the invisible gravity dark matter. And this matter covers 85% mass of our universe. But the surprising thing is that despite studying it for the last several centuries, we do not know anything about this widespread meter. Nor can we see it with the Hubble James Webb Telescope. Science only knows that dark matter is a theoretical vision of what we can neither see nor feel. But due to its gravity, the whole system of this universe is running. Number 4. Indeed, with the help of the world's powerful telescope, we can see galaxies 13.1 billion light distant, and have also succeeded in capturing a photo of a black hole. And by using the power of science, we have also sent the Mars rovers 14 million kilometers away. The biggest fact is that we are doing all these missions while staying on the planet. Its oceans are not yet been explored. More than 80% of the ocean parts are like this. Where the world is separately different from our ocean part, Mariana Trench's deepest point is 11,022 meters deep. But we humans have explored only part of the ocean, which is only 200 meters deep. This point is called the twilight zone, where sunlight is negligible. In addition to the light, the pressure here is 320 pounds per square inch. This is as much as if someone had placed a tractor tire on just 1 inch of the human body. This is why it is easy for a man to go to the moon, but it is equally difficult to go below the twilight zone of the ocean. According to one estimate, we have been able to explore only 5% of the sea life below the twilight zone. What is in the remaining 95% remains a mystery to science. Number 3. Well, from a small ant to a large elephant, there are many living things that use their brains to solve problems. If there is no brain, no one can solve even the smallest problem. But it is a very simple organism known as slime mold, but at the same time, it is very complex because the slime mold does not have a brain. But even so, it is considered very clever. Slime mold solves complex mazes with ease, and it also takes the decisions to account for its benefit. However, scientists have found several proofs. The slime mold can also recognize different times of the day. But the question is, how does slime mold do all this without having a single-cell brain? These questions have been troubling scientists to this day. Number 2. This is Amelia, who crossed the Atlantic Ocean by plane. From his childhood, he was very fond of planning his adventures. In 1928, Amelia surprised the world by traveling alone to the Atlantic Ocean, because no woman had done this before that day. Then in 1932, Amelia did travel by plane Hawaii to mainland in the U.S. Who had not been able to do any male pilot before today? To fulfill her passion and set a world record, Amelia planned to circumnavigate the globe. On July 2, 1937, while setting his world record, Amelia and accompanying navigator Fred Noonan were in Lae, Papua New Guinea for refueling. But after fueling when they started their journey again, so as they approached Howland Island in the central Pacific Ocean, their connection to the control tower was disconnected, and after that, they could not be traced till today. Key search parties searched for months with possible crash locations. But they neither found Amelia nor Fred, and they have not found a small part of the plane today. 85 years have passed after this incident, but scientists and researchers have not found anything. At number 1 is Zhenya National Park. This is not a painting of an art galaxy, but a real photograph of the part in China. Spread over 322 kilometers, this national park is famous all over the world for its colorful mountains. Looking at these beautiful mountains and rock formations full of color, looks like this maybe someone has painted them with color. It is completely natural. But the question is how this is possible. Many scientists believe that the color of the mountains is due to the sandstones and minerals present here, which has been doing chemical reactions for many years, but such a coincidence happens in other places as well. So why is this total formation only on that? Those who do not believe this theory, tectonic formation is due to the Earth's moment. Despite the passage of many centuries, science could not find out the real secret behind these charming and beautiful. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you did not subscribe to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button for more new and quick notifications.